The 5-day work week is ending, but not because life is getting easier. It's because companies found a way to make you work all the time. Hey everyone, welcome back. Right now, millions of people believe we're entering the best era of work ever. Remote jobs, flexible hours, even the idea of a 4-day work week. It sounds like freedom. It feels like things are finally getting better. But what if I told you this isn't freedom at all? It's a shift, and most people haven't realized what's actually happening yet. Let's start with what people think is happening. Everywhere you look, you hear the same thing. Work is getting more flexible. You don't need to sit in an office anymore. You can work from anywhere. Soon, we'll only work 4 days a week. And honestly, it sounds amazing. No commute, more personal time, more control over your schedule. For the first time in decades, it feels like work is finally adapting to your life. But here's the problem. What looks like freedom is actually something else. Because while the structure of work is changing, the amount of work isn't going down. In fact, for most people, it's increasing. Now let's look at what's actually happening. Before, work had clear boundaries. You went to the office, you worked your hours, and then you came home and you were done. There was a clear separation between your job and your life. But now those boundaries are gone. Your office is your bedroom. Your phone is your workplace. Your laptop is always within reach. And slowly, without even noticing, work starts creeping into everything. You check emails at night, you reply to messages on weekends, you take quick calls during dinner. And the strangest part is, it doesn't even feel forced. It feels normal, because nobody is directly telling you to work more. There's no boss standing over you. Instead, the system has changed, and now you manage yourself. This is where everything flips. The biggest shift in modern work is this. We moved from time-based work to output-based work. Before, companies paid you for your time, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. That was the structure. But now they don't care when you work. They care about what you deliver. And at first, that sounds fair. It sounds like freedom. But here's the hidden pressure. If your work is measured by output, there is no limit anymore, because there's always more you could do. More emails, more tasks, more improvements, more productivity. And since you control your schedule, the pressure shifts onto you. No one tells you to stop, so you don't. You're not working fixed hours anymore. You're working until the work feels done. And the truth is, it never feels done. Now add something even bigger into this. AI. AI is supposed to make your work easier. Faster writing, faster research, faster execution. And it does. But here's the problem nobody talks about. When work becomes faster, expectations rise. Because now companies start thinking, if this task takes half the time, why aren't you doing twice as much? So instead of reducing your workload, AI increases it. You're expected to produce more, think faster, and deliver quicker. And suddenly, efficiency becomes pressure, not relief. So what does all of this lead to? No fixed schedule, no clear boundaries, no real off time. You're always slightly connected to work. Even when you're resting, your brain isn't. And over time, this creates something dangerous. Not burnout from long hours, but burnout from never fully stopping. Because your work is no longer a place you go. It's something that follows you everywhere. So no, the 5-day work week isn't disappearing because life is getting easier. It's disappearing because companies found a way to remove the limits. No fixed hours, no clear end, no boundaries, just constant output. And the scariest part is, most people think this is freedom, but in reality, it's a system where work never truly ends. And once you see it, you can't unsee it.